Alright guys, we're back on I-10 with the better camera, so we're gonna get truckers to honk the horn. See, we already got one. I-10 is better
than ramp 202.
So we're gonna get this trucker to honk the horn. That horn. So we got a Freightliner up here. I actually know the truck's names now, so we're all cool. Alright, here comes another Freightliner. Or a Kenworth. Out for the Freightliner. Now for whatever truck that is. That's international. A Volvo. We got that person off his horn, even though I didn't even do it. And fuck! That's a Mustang. It's a loud ass exhaust back there. I'm not even gonna lie. Here comes a Freightliner. Comes the International and a Freightliner. Hey, how's it going, sir? Huh? Oh no, I'm just doing my truck horn series. I'm getting people to honk their horn. Yeah. Alright, see you, man. Here comes a Freightliner. Better than the truck one. Alright, here comes the Peterbilt. Also legit great. Oh, not you. Volvo. Not a Volvo. Or no, that's a Peterbilt. Come on, honk your horn, please. That Peterbilt. International. There we go. Oh, Peterbilt. Come on, honk your horn! Alright, we'll just move on to the Freightliner. He's on his phone, so that's not good. Not you, car. If they want to join in, that's fine. I'm not really against cars honking their horns. I mean, that's actually better. gonna get him to honk his horn. Peterbilt, by the way. I'm always getting those mini loud things, but not this is like what to me, bro? Cummins. Front here. Oh, cops. Not a good sign. Cops. Fucking cops. Cops, bro. Cops.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh, shit. And here is one here right now, stopping right there. I'm gonna end the video.